Ang maganda kasi yon. They said it is a proof of love. It is a proof. How to prove the love, guys? Napakaano talaga. It is a proof of love. Hindi yun it is kusang bibigay. Hindi yun proof. Kusa. Kasi pag inako na inaano ka na, you put it in your mind that it is a requirements. It is. Oh my God, wala na. Bagsak ng mundo. After how many months, hindi. Kasi you are not comfortable doing it after many months. Hindi mo na yan magagawa. And then, ano na, ang relationship ay parang barko na. Lulubog. Kasi it's not, nag-i-start sa, and it is necessary, of course, to spice up things in the LDR things. Pwede yun. But, you need to trust that person na hindi yan siya lalabas sa internet. Kasi nga, ang mga lalaki is magaling magpa-believe na they are trustworthy. Pero hindi. Lalabas at lalabas yan. Kasi nga, it made them proud to tell others of what it is. So, yun, mag-advance thinking tayo mga kababaihan. We have to be advanced thinking. Kasi nga yung lalaki, so mas maganda pa rin yung we will keep us conservative, a little conservative type sa ating as a Filipina, no? So, ganoon yun. But it is not nice to do a video and put it online, yung ginawa ng mga nag-ana-ana ba na na-stuck. So, hindi yun maganda for me. We are all sinners actually. Pero bakit naman ganoon? And all the people commenting there they think that they are so right. They are so sinless. Yung ganoon ba? Naawa ako doon sa even though they doing a mistake, but it is not right to comment na mga ganoon. Pero it's talaga, ganoon talagang buhay. Kasi nasa internet yan. Wala, pero so pity about it. Yun talaga. So guys, ayan, may bus na, the double-decker bus here. Double story yung bus dito, guys. Ito na yung bus, yan. Dito yung mga bicycle line, pathways. Tapos dyan naman mga building na yan, mga bahay. $30 minutes lang.
Longer.
Ayan. Papasok na tayo sa bahay. Ito yung mga building dito sa Singapore, guys. Ayan. Ganyan. Hindi ganyan. Oh, grabe, no? Ang mga poste nila, it's very, very big. Dito ko talaga tinitingnan yung ito ang mga nila. Sa Singapore, mga poste. Ganyan ang poste. Tapos, siyempre, may mga pipes yan, water pipes. Pero, I don't know, this is for what? Yung mga ganyan. Ganda. Okay, guys. Bye, everyone.